Gran, you still awake?
You shut the fuck up. I'm trying to sleep.
I heard a noise outside the car.
I don't care as long as it's that fucking side.
Granny, I can't sleep.
Shut the hell up.
Oh, fuck. What was that?
I don't know. What the fuck caused the alarm to go off?
Somebody hit the van.
Somebody hit the van or something for the alarm to go off.
Who is it? What, Gran?
You really want them to know that we're in here, don't you? Shut the fuck up.
I just want to know who it is.
You think they're gonna tell you who they are? Hell no. Shut your fucking mouth.